Well, news is coming in. The Tamil Nadu government has now introduced new guidelines for hospitalization in the state. Now, the new guidelines in the state suggest that any patient with an oxygen saturation over 96 will have to undergo a home quarantine. Those with an SpO2 between 90 and 94 can be admitted to the nearest hospitals or COVID care centers, and only those below a saturation of 90 will be admitted to hospitals. Apurva is joining me live from Chennai for more details on this. Now, Apurva, there is seeming to be a very detailed guideline that has come in from the state government, which actually gives patients an idea of what they are supposed to do.
Well, that's why the Tamil Nadu government has issued newer guidelines for the people who have contracted COVID. In fact, the newer guidelines issue clear steps as to what the people need to do if they have contracted COVID. If a patient has an oxygen level of just below 96, then most probably they will be starting off with the home isolation. They need not be going ahead and getting themselves admitted in the hospitals. People who are having an oxygen level of anywhere between 90 and 95, they will be admitted to the nearest PHCs, public health centers or COVID care centers. Remember, Tamil Nadu government has installed several COVID care centers in Chennai and also across districts as well for those patients who have mild symptoms or who have a stable oxygen level anywhere between 90 and 95. People who have an oxygen level of below below 90 will be those who will be given the first priority for admission in hospitals as well, and this will be also post the level of infection and the screening that will be done with their CT scan reports or with the other tests that will be taken for any COVID patient. The Tamil Nadu government and the health department has also said that people must mandatorily keep checking for their oxygen saturation level as well, and that they must keep track of it for every few hours as well. And this, remember, these new guidelines comes just days after the Tamil Nadu government had been proactive in taking measures to ensure that more and more people with the rising number of COVID cases here in the state of Tamil Nadu have other options other than going to either government hospitals or private hospitals for COVID treatment, but they can be also treated for the same either.
Apurva, as you're pointing out, the Tamil Nadu government over there coming out with very detailed as well as specific guidelines to deal with coronavirus infections. To remember that Tamil Nadu has been reporting high numbers over the past few weeks as well. For the moment, Apurva, thank you very much for joining us.